Definitely gonna have to watch my feed rate. All right, so what I'm thinking is some kind of a plate that welds onto here. It comes up just about to here with a gap. You know, a little half-inch gap right here that keeps anything from overspilling like this. Because if you feed it too fast, the bigger rocks won't crush fast enough and it'll overspill. And even though the hammer mill is designed for basically 4 by 6 inch rock, it wears down the hammers a lot if you throw that in. And so that's the crush size that we're doing. Like even this is a little too big. So I'm gonna have to make some adjustments, I think. It's not horrible, but there's just like little tweaks here and there that I want to do to make sure that everything's running to where I can feed the hopper, not have to worry about, you know, bigger rocks falling in onto the conveyor belt and ripping it again. So that it can feed the hammer mill, get by through, and then I can just maintain the system. And so there's little tweaks. I think this week, as much as I wanted to do a full run, I might have to do some little tweaks here and there to make sure that everything's running smooth, because I need to get another guy out here on hand. So I ran a bunch of rock through. I cleaned this out because this was compacting pretty good. I tried to blow it out the best I could. It still wasn't sucking up what I wanted it to. I want this thing to be almost completely clean. So I might have to rethink my slurry drum. Because I got damn near a 5-gallon bucket worth of material. Yeah, it's like 3/4, but it's all big stuff. So I'm gonna run this and see what I get, see what was sticking in there, if anything. I did test pan it. I saw some gold. So anyways, here we go. All right, so I ran 5 of those full buckets through the jaw crusher, and then decided to test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 buckets, and we're getting gold, so that's good. I gotta bucket all this up, get this all ready to go, and then I can run it all through. I do want to slow down that feeder. Feeder's going a little too fast. Other than that, it's working really well. I haven't test panned any of the overage that's coming out of the side yet. Every now and then it'll kind of load up and come out the shaft and then spill down. I haven't tested any of that yet, so we'll see. It's doing really well though. It's holding on to gold, that's all that matters. It's grinding it down. It's about as fine as it's gonna get with a hammer mill. I don't think it's gonna get much finer than that. So that's about what the oversize looks like, is right there. I did clean out the tub after those buckets, and I did find some coarser gold sitting down in here. So this will have to be probably a once a month clean out type deal. I didn't check the top yet to see if there's any gold up there. There very well might be. It's pretty hot today. Done a lot of work. Got a little tweaks that I want to do here and there, but other than that, it's not bad. It's running really well. I do want to figure out something a little bit better for this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I got kind of a build-up spot right here, which isn't too bad. I just push it down every now and then, but this conveyor belt right here is what I need. It'll be here next week. So I'm just gonna keep crushing, fill buckets, and then I'll do a day's run with everything that I've crushed. So happy days.